am second semester at Nias Raya University. This is my last task in pronunciation course, and my task is read a text with the goal is to improve my pronunciation skill. Okay, I will start it. Nias people. Nias people are an ethnic group native to Nias, an island of the west coast of North Sumatra, Indonesia. In the Nias language, the Nias people are known as Ononiha, which literally means descendants of human. Nias Island is known as Tananiha, with Tana meaning land in the Nias language. The Nias people are a community that continues living within the norms and practices of their indigenous culture. Customary law of the Nias people is generally referred to as fornraka, structures and stone carvings that are found in the interior of the island prove the ancient Nias people practiced megalithic culture. The caste system is also recognized in Nias society, whereby the highest level out of the 12 levels in the Nias caste system is Balugu. In order to reach this level of the caste, one must be able to carry out big festival, big inviting thousands of people and slaughtering thousands of pigs for several days. According the people of Nias, one of the mythical origins of Nias tribe comes from a tree of life called Tora Sigarua, which is located at a place called Teteheli Anaa. According to the myths, it is said that the arrival of the first human on Nias Island began in the days of King Sirau, whose 9 sons had been banished out of Teteheli Anaa for fighting over the throne. Hence, the 9 sons of King Sirau were considered as the first people to set foot on the island of Nias. Archaeological research has been conducted on Nias Island since 1996. The observation found that there has been human habitation on Nias Island since 12,000 years ago, through migration from Asia to Nias Island during the Paleolithic period. In fact, there are indications of migration as far as 30,000 years ago. During that period, the Hoa Binh Vietnam civilization was similar to that in Nias Island. Therefore, it was presumed that the origins of the Nias people come from an area in mainland Asia that is in modern-day Vietnam. New genetic research has found that the Nias people of North Sumatra came from the Austronesian peoples. The ancestors of the Nias people are also thought to have come from Taiwan through the Philippines 4,000 to 5,000 years ago. 10 years of researching involving blood samples of 440 Nias people in 11 villages in Nias Island showed the Y chromosome and DNA mitochondria of the Nias people are very similar to the Taiwanese, Aborigines, and Philippine peoples. The observation has also found that the genes in today Nias people no longer carry any traces of the ancient Nias people, as autopsy was remains were found in the Togin Rawa Cave, Central Nias. Archaeological findings of the stone tools found showed that humans lived in the cover over 12,000 years ago. The genetic diversity of the Nias people is very low compared to other groups of people, especially with regard to the Y chromosome. This indicates that there was once a bottleneck population in the past history of Nias. Studies have also found that Nias people do not share any genus white ethnicities living in the Andaman Nicobar Island in the Indian Ocean, which are geographically considered his neighbors. Although it is known that there was a migration of the Austronesian peoples between Taiwan and the Indonesian archipelago including Nias, it is still an question if the migration started from Taiwan of Nias or vice versa. Gowinihandro o gowinitutu pondet cassava harinake minced pork. Godo-godo sorted cassava shaped into balls for boiling and later with added coconut flakes. Keve-keve minced meat, fish meat shaped into balls to be dried or smoked. Ni ohuru salted pork for longer storage. Ratigae fried bananas. Tambaya ketupat. Lema lemang. Gaini boga grilled bananas. Kazimone made of sago. Wabayasa glutinous rice. Gulu-gulu fare candy made from distilled coconut milk. Bato compressed crab meat shaped into balls for longer storage as found on Hinako Islands. Nami cited crops egg for longer storage, sometimes for months, depending on the quantity of site used. Tuonifara, palm wine. Tuombanua, round palm wine white, added laurel roots of various plants to give a certain amount of alcohol, clothing, and emoluments. The kalabubu is traditionally only worn by those who already perform the handy-hunting activity. Fonduru, men's earring made of precious metal. Kalabubu, also known as the hunter and the necklace. Nifatalitali, a necklace of precious metal. Nifatofato, a man's necklace of precious metal. Suahu, a comb of wood or precious metal. Traditional proverbs. Ula nifemanga mau ihene singa. Like a cat that eats starting from the seeds. Why, when doing something, start from the easy to the difficult. Hula laiwanidana by fully fahalhala. Just like scooping the water, it will still remain something that is inseparable. Abaka zoko safuria moroi baziofana. The one is more severe at the later stage than the beginning. Of course of action can be felt the most towards the end. Other traditional practices Nias men taking part in Fahombo. Fahombo, leaping off the rock. Fatele or Faluya, war dance. Maina, group dance. Tarimoyo, egli dance. Tarimogaile. Fangowai, welcoming of quiz dance. Fami ono nihalo, weddings. Omohada, traditional house. Fame eto nononihale, given name of married woman. Fasese levua, bambo, competition among young men to test one's trick, digs line. Deterioration in Asian culture began to occur since the end of the 19th century. Missionary works had contributed to the decline of original Nias culture. Evangelization in Nias, such as those performed by the German Protestant Rhenish missionary, society had been responsible to the destruction of nascent modern status as well the spread of the unique culture of Nia society, ancestor worship, magical practice, the Obasa festival, noblemen rank, elevation festival, head hunting and self-charting. However, since 1955, conservation of the traditional culture of the Ononia has improved tremendously by the Roman Catholic court through culture, integration into liturgy, architecture, and art. That's all about this text. Thank you very much.